Good morning, everyone. This is President Parrish Black of the Inner City Crusaders. Parrish Black, known as Parrish the Prophet, and Parrish Black, the Man of God. Today is January 20th, 2012. Time is 6:01 a.m., a Friday morning. This quick video is about President Obama. The reason why I'm making this video is because some hours ago, I believe a little after 12 a.m., January 20th, 2012, I was interrupted from doing some paperwork here at my home, which is located in Brooklyn, New York. The reason why I was interrupted is because I heard helicopters flying in my neighborhood. And the helicopters I heard did not sound like an average commute helicopter or an NYPD helicopter. The helicopters sound very heavy, and I know what heavy helicopters sound like, and usually when I hear a heavy helicopter or helicopters flying in my neighborhood, is usually because the President of the United States is flying past my neighborhood just to get to, I guess, the airport. So once again, I scrambled in my home to find my camera, and I take my camera and myself, as of course, and I stepped outside in front of my house, and I got a few shots of some helicopters, big helicopters, like the helicopter video footage I made, I believe, in September of 2012. And I didn't get a chance to make a video footage of the President flying over my house in 2010. But in any case, I had to really make sure before I make this video that the President was here in New York City. So here on this website, well, on Google, I see that the President was here in New York City, and he was fundraising. He was at the Apollo fundraising, and it says here, news for President Obama in New York, January 19th, 2012. And also it says, Obama attends 4 NYC fundraisers. Okay, so the President, once again, have flown over my community of Bedford-Stuyvesant. Wow, this is like the 3rd or 4th time. Whew, I really don't know what to say about this, but thank you for. Oh, I will show you, the YouTubers, the short video footage I made of the helicopters flying over my neighborhood. And hearing military helicopters around here. Is the President here? Helicopter's gone that way. Look, the President is here. Sorry for the poor quality. But there's one of the helicopters there. Thank you for watching this short video. Thank you.